Hi friends, this is Shibnath from BMH Academy. I hope all you are fine, right? I welcome you everyone to our channel. Here we teach digital marketing in most simplified manner. Okay, and we believe that this course will help you to learn digital marketing from very basic to advanced level. Okay, so today's session will be just only to describing you about the what is digital marketing actually is, and what are its different branches. Okay, so let's get started now. I've just opened the screen on Google just to type the digital marketing on the Google and show you the result. Just forget it. Let me explain digital marketing to you. So, by the term digital marketing, what we can understand like marketing digitally. Okay, like the traditional marketing that we see here around in different industry, different categories of business, the same can be done digitally. So digitally means there are several options to market your product, to market your service towards your targeted audience. Now, how do you understand that how to reach to your proper targeted audience on the internet, right? Let me explain it. Suppose you're a brand and you're selling apparels or fashion accessories or anything like that. Okay, so you try to reach to your target audience through different medium, like you must go to the social media channels like Facebook, Instagram. I hope you all are aware about this social media channels, right? Now, so these are the this is one of the ways, like social media is one of the ways to promote your service or products. Like we can do the same. Suppose you are advertising your products on the television. This is also a digital media, so you are doing the marketing digitally. Now, what are what are the benefits of digital marketing? Like nowadays, why people running towards market their product digitally? I'm not saying that offline marketing has gone or will be gone in the upcoming years. No, offline marketing will also be there, but when you can explore and apply the technique of marketing your product or services on the internet, so why would not you explore that part and make a integrated promotion for your service or product, right? Like suppose you are selling furniture, you have a shop, you have a local shop, right? So you can expect your customer from on the way customers and from the people who know your shop. Okay, but did you think that, did you ever think that how to grow your business or how to reach audience who do not know about your shop? People who are passing by your shop or the people who are already your customer will be is what I can say is your fixed customer or the variable customer. But to reach the new audience over the digital media, digital media means through television or through social media channels or through email marketing or promoting your products or showing your ads on other websites, right? So there are several way you can promote your service or product on the internet. Okay, so as of now, just keep it in mind that digital marketing is to market your product or services digitally, to expand your audience, to expand your business, to expand your ROI, return on investment. Okay, now We'll try to keep this video short so that you can, I think, able to concentrate more on the video, right? Now we will. Oh, meanwhile, let me share you one good thing. We have created a free, absolutely free blogging resources for you guys. Okay, and do subscribe our channel and comment on the comment section, and you will find that free resources on the description below. Okay, you can just click on the link and you can visit our website of BMH Academy, and you will find the free blogging resource and you will get directly to your inbox. Let me show you. Just type. Here it is. This is our website, and here we have created the free blogging resource for everyone who loves to learn digital marketing, who love to explore their career into digital marketing. Okay, so we are very much happy to help them, and these are the really premium things, and we are offering it absolutely free, just to make you learn, just to make you aware about digital marketing, just to help you about and to convey you about the possibilities you can explore from digital marketing, right? So if you click that get access now button, you need to put your name over here. You can put your name over here, like I'm putting an arbitrary characters, and you need to put your email ID over here. As soon as you click on the 8 GB plus resources get now, you will get a email on your inbox and you can easily download from there. Okay, let's forget it as of now. What I was telling you, I have just explained you about the very basics of digital marketing. And let me tell you, digital marketing is completely an ocean. It is simply an ocean. It's a way more than you can think. I can say that. I mean, it has several of branches. That by the time, by the day, you will learn that what are the several opportunities in digital marketing, and you will definitely find interesting to explore and digging your hands in this field, right? Okay. Now we will explain about different branches of digital marketing. Okay, like let's take a note. Okay, and for your help I have just opened a notepad, so you can take a note on your side, and I am writing here to help you understand what are the different branches, like blogging. I hope you have heard about blogging. I will explain each and every branches in very details. I mean, you will have minimum 10 to 15, even more videos on each of these branches, right? For today's session, for the basic introduction, I'm just explaining what are the branches of digital marketing. Okay, so that you can have at least the idea. At least you can have the words in your mind. Oh, blogging. This is a branch of digital marketing. Oh, SEO. Yeah. How can I forget to write SEO, right? Yeah. And friends, if you find it difficult to understand, I hope I am explaining in very simple words. Although, if you're finding it difficult to understand, you can always comment on the comment section, or you can always reach to us. We will give our email contact in the comment section below or in the description. Okay, so do not worry about the same. Our aim to educate people more digital marketing. Like the more you learn about digital marketing, the more you'll explore the possibilities on the internet. Because as you know, the in today's time, and as we all are affected by COVID-19 throughout the world, So people are bound to think more digitally than they think 6 months back, right? So we need to understand that as the time passes, we need to adapt the new normal. Why I'm saying the new normal? Because COVID-19 has really forced us to think that you cannot have the same segment of mind. Like suppose you are habituated in the offline classroom mode. Okay, so now as you can understand that moving outside your home is quite difficult. So there is no such options to get into any digital marketing courses in the offline mode, and have your teacher over there and make you understand in front of you. So you need to try and try. I know it is difficult to adapt the online mode totally from the classroom teaching mode, although I will help you to get over that part. Okay, now let's go into the what I was describing, that different branches of digital marketing like blogging, SEO, SMO. I hope you know the full form of SEO. It is the search engine optimization, right? Sorry. SMO means social media optimization. Okay. Blogging is itself a term. It is not it is not any abbreviated term, right? Okay. Next branch we can definitely add as PPC. PPC means pay per click, right? Like for example, Google Ads, Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, etc. And as I've said before, friends, don't worry about these terms. I will explain each and every term in my successive videos in a very broad way, in a very detailed way. Just follow our channel, click the subscribe button, and click the bell notification. So whenever we upload new video, you can get the notification and you can start watching the video to learn that part, right? Anything, any problem you face during the video sessions or something, you can comment, always comment us. Okay, and let us know how you are liking this video. If you find that any problem in the video in respect to the concept we are conveying, or in respect to the audio mode, or in respect to the audio clarity, you can always comment us, so we'll try to make it more clear and more understandable towards you guys. Okay. Okay, after the PPC, here comes affiliate marketing. I do not know how many of you are aware about affiliate marketing. I will explain it definitely. Just for today, you keep this term in your mind so that you can Google this term and have the basic idea about the same. Okay. Achha. After the affiliate marketing, I can write vlogging. Like what is vlogging? Vlogging means like the YouTubers, right? What are the YouTubers do? They take any topic. Suppose anyone is a great traveler and he or she loves to explore different places, and he or she loves to shoot videos and upload those videos to their YouTube channel. Okay, so this is called vlogging. Like the first one is blogging. Blogging means, suppose you know about a topic or you have a topic of interest. It may be traveling, it may be cooking, it may be interior designing, it may be about earning money online, it may be about arts and crafts, anything. Suppose you have the knowledge or you have the interest on any topics, so you can start preparing your blog. Means you can start writing different different topics on that. Suppose you like sports. Okay, and under sports you like the cricket most. Okay, so you can write different topics about cricket. Like you can create an article about when this game has first started, right? You can create an article about top 10 bowlers in the recent time, right? You can create an article about top 10 captains, top 10 cricket captains in the world. There are several of topics you will find, okay, and you will find ideas from the internet. We will explain it later. Just I'm giving you a basic introduction. Search engine optimization means to optimize your blog. Like you are preparing your blog, you can create your blog for free. Like in the I'm just giving you a very basic information. So if you are interested really to start up actually from today, so you can get it started. Okay, like from blogspot.in, it is a domain offered by Google for free. Even they have the upgraded version which is paid, so you do not need to buy any upgraded version as of now to try and create a blog for one blog for yourself. I will show you later that how you can create a blog on blogspot.in, right? Apart from blogspot.in, you can create your first free blog on wordpress.com. You can create your blog on wix.com. But if you uh, listen to me, then I would recommend you first start with the blogspot.in, okay, or blogger.com, anything. Blogger.com is also from Google, okay. Now, like suppose you have created your blog. Suppose your blog address is sportsadda dot blogspot.in, right? So this is a website you will create on the for free on blogspot.in. Now, as long as you will put more and more articles on this website, you need to optimize those. Optimize those means, suppose you have written a topic about top 10 cricket captains in the world. So there are thousands of people already written about this same topic, top 10 cricket captains in the world. So, how will you rank above them? So, you need to know how to optimize your blog, right? So that there comes the part of search engine optimization. We will explain it later, as I'm telling you. What is social media optimization? Even you, I believe that all of you are doing every day. You are doing and you are logging to social media every day. I think Facebook, Instagram have become the integrated part of our life, right? So through SMO is it is the name of the technique, just social media optimization. It's nothing new to it, right? To suppose you have created you have you are good at crafting, drawing, and you have drawn a figure of any famous personality. Let's say Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose or the let's say Nelson Mandela. Okay, or let's say Barack Obama, anything, any celebrity. You have drawn a very good sketch on any celebrity, and you want your friends or near and dear ones to see that and give you comment on this, that whether they have liked it or not, or what can be done more to make it more beautiful, etc., etc. So in that case, you can share that picture on the social media and to get the comments from your near and dear ones. Okay, so the like anything we share or anything we promote on the social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, these are the this is the process called social media. I'm just writing here the basic social media channels that you might have known: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, right? Now, what is pay per click? Pay per click means you are paying to someone upon clicking. Okay, like Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads. So why I have written this part? Because as we know, Google is a search engine, Bing is a search engine, and they are and we are using them for free. Why I'm saying that we are using them from free? Because anything you can search on Google and Google will give you result. Okay, so how would you understand which are the Google ads? Just let me show you that part. Here I have written digital marketing on Google. So Google is giving me this result, right? There are different results Google is giving me. Okay, what are this? I will explain. This is called Google local map or Google local listing. I will explain it in later videos. Okay, do not worry about the same. Okay, like these are the, upon searching digital marketing on the Google is giving me options for these websites like digitalmarketer.com, wikipedia.org, disruptiveadvertising.com. So these are the search results Google is producing. Okay, now which is Google ads? Here it is. You can see that is the ad written over here is a capital A and small d ad. That means, and which company is running this ad? It's LinkedIn. That means LinkedIn is paying to Google to show their ads for this kind of search term above everyone. Above everyone's means LinkedIn is ranking at, is, I will not say that LinkedIn is ranking, because when I'm using the term ranking, in ad there is a term ad rank, but do not get confused by ad rank and the organic rank. I will explain this part later, because I hope you can understand that if in a single video I will tell you everything one after one, you will get confused. So to keep it simple, just as of now, just keep it in mind that whenever you see ad beside any website, you will understand that this website is paying to Google for running their ads for this type of search term. Just as of now, keep it in mind. Okay, same, and this is an, I have explained for Google ads. Same logic goes for Bing ads also. And for the Facebook ads, you can promote your product or service on Facebook by giving them a fees. Like you can promote for free, but if you pay to Facebook, they will expand your reach, and more audience will get to see your ad, will get to click your ad, and you might have new audience. Okay, okay, let's move on. Let's go on to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you are helping any brand to promote their product or services through your blog or through your website, okay, or through your videos. So you are driving sales for them. And what is your a- and why, I mean to say, why you will be doing promotion for other brand? Definitely there must be any benefit for you. Yes, my friend, there is a benefit. Suppose I am selling a product for rupees 100. Okay, I'm selling a product for USD 100. And if suppose a people come to me and he says, I will help you promote your product more and more, and what you can do, you can tell me what are the service and products you're offering. So I will share this information on my website and help you drive more sales. So upon giving you sales, I will have 10% commission. Okay, that means that we need to pay commission to someone who are helping us to promote our product or services. Okay, this is called affiliate marketing. And what is blogging? Blogging, as I have uh, told, that blogging means, suppose you are a traveler, what I was explaining at the first. Yeah, so you're a traveler, you love to share videos, you love to shoot videos, and you love to upload those videos on your YouTube channel. So you are a vlogger, means video blogger. So together we are telling that vlogger. Like it hurts similar to blogging. It's blogging and it's vlogging. It's B and it's V. means video blogger. So suppose you are having passion of cooking, you love to cook, so you can share your cooking videos on different video promotional channels like YouTube, Dailymotion, MySpace, etc. Okay, and let me write the famous video promotional channel. This one, I know you, every one of you knows about YouTube. Dailymotion, although not much popular like YouTube, but it is very much popular video platform. Vimeo is also one of them, and there are several. Okay, so in case you are really interested to get started everything from today and at least to type this term on the Google and get to see what are these. So I'm just helping you to mention those names so that you can search on the Google and you can get a bit more idea from the Google. And listen, friends, no matter your listen to any videos or not, and you are taking any online classes or not, you need to research, you need to educate yourself every day. The mentor will help you to clarify any topic, to clarify your goal, to show you the right path of how you can explore this field. But you need to understand the topics, you need to understand the concepts, okay? And you need to educate yourself more and more day by day. In that way, you can become, I won't say become popular. At least you will not be like any other persons who are just watching videos, taking lessons, but not applying those. So there is no mean of that, right? So anything you know, anything you are knowing today, just try to nurture with those terms. Try to educate more with those terms. Okay, educate yourself. In that way you could learn more and more, you could learn more better. Remember, you can learn and you can help others learn. In that way you are sharing knowledges. Okay, now in our session today, almost we have come to an end. I hope everyone have liked today's video, as I've tried to make you guys understand in a very simplified manner. Although if you have any problem, feel free to comment in the comment section, and definitely do subscribe us for more videos. In the next successive sessions, we will explain about each of the branches, okay, and the more about digital marketing. We will create separate playlist for different topics as the time goes on. Okay, so take care everyone, and see you over the next video. Okay, bye.